I'm gonna pick this up with my fork. I'm gonna do. I don't want the onions in here. Put this on the side. As you can see, this is a different size than the other ones. What you want to do, you want to turn this down and incorporate the cheese into the eggs. Of course, you see I'm using a fork because this does it a lot better than anything else that I have in my kitchen right now. Turn it down really lower. Cooking exceptionally fast with this pot. And what you want to do, you want to turn it down all the way so it won't overcook. If you want to put extra eggs in, now is the time. If you want to incorporate that into your cooking. But these eggs are done. They're not overcooked. You're going to fold this over. Okay. I'm going to get rid of these eggs in this pot right now. Now I have to move this over. Now you want to make sure you get all the eggs in there. So when you clean it, you're not getting rid of eggs that you could have eaten. Okay. There you go. You never want to squander food. You never know who doesn't have food, you know? Alright, so now I'm going to wash this out real quickly. Right there. My favorite thing to use to clean out quickly is this thing right here. Okay? You always want to have one of those in your kitchen. Alright. Now we put it back on. Want to wipe out any impurities in those waters that's linking around in here. Okay? Because you do not want a watery sandwich. I would hope not anyway. You're going to put a little butter. I don't got no butter, but I do have Country Crock. Country Crock. You ready? Now you don't want a whole lot. Just want a tiny bit like that, you know? Just to get everything done. Okay, you want to make sure that it's not a whole lot, okay? Give it a chance to cook a little bit. So it's not so much in this pot. Alright, so as you can see, it's mostly gone. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to put this sandwich in here so it can fully cook. Right? It's going to be a good breakfast. Yes, it is. Now you want to turn it down slightly because you don't want your bread to burn. Okay? Never want your bread to overcook and be black. Like jet black. No. You want it just so it can toast correctly. You know? Yeah, now. You want to press it down firmly, okay? Flip it. Turn it over. You want to check your side. See how dark it is. So since I see it's not too dark, I'm going to crank it up this slightly so it can get a little darker, okay? Because we like that. Add pressure to it so it can cook. Because you want the cheese to melt too. And turn it up just slightly a little bit. Yeah. Let's flip it again. Oh, nice. You see that? You see how nice it came out? Yeah, I bet you do. So now we want to press firmly again. I'm going to do this about what? We did 3 times already. We're going to do it probably 2 more times before it's done. Just to make sure the cheese is melted. And it's going to be a great sandwich. Okay. Alright. Want to flip again. See how we're making sure it's evenly cooked on each side? Yes, that's how we want to do it. Now after this, it should be good. Check one more time. Yeah, this looks like we're going to do it one more time. And then we should be done. Yep, that's about it. There you go. Our sandwich is done. And just to add a little bit to it, we're going to make that a McGriddle. And add some honey to the top of it. Now that honey shouldn't have been that hard to come out. I don't know what's going on with this, but let me see. Here we go. No, it's not coming out like we want it to do, but you know, at least it's coming out. And what we're going to do with this, since it's coming out like this, I'm going to show you a quick trick to that. Alright. So that's it for that. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to smooth it on like that. Okay? Make sure it's as evenly as possible on the top of the bread. You can put a little bit more if you want, but I think that's good enough. And there we go. That's breakfast. Have a good day.